Hello there, Virgo. Welcome to my channel. I'd like to thank you for tuning into those energies and influences that are coming through for your weekly reading for September 1st to the 7th of 2019. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is a condensed general reading. Please only take those portions that resonate with you. Okay, Virgo, off camera to save time, I've done a protective blessing. I've meditated over and shuffled these cards just for you. Your first card. It's the general atmosphere. It's the background and the basis of the matter. The Seven of Cups, Virgo. This is water energy. Represents choices, fantasy, and illusion. Someone may have their head in the clouds, dreaming and drifting of all that could be. Be careful it does not block you from forward movement. You do have the sun and other fire in your reading, which, as elemental dignitaries, fire and water clash, so do not let this block you. This is great creative potential, but there may be some confusion involved, many options, so you have some difficulty choosing. This is the gambler card, so only do what is 100% secure. This is wishful thinking, choosing your imagination. Fantasy may be involved. You'll need to let your feelings guide you with these multiple choices, so think before jumping in. This could also be brainstorming or altered states, drug use, escaping reality, daydreaming, high hopes. You have so many choices available that indecision may prevent you from choosing anything. Maybe a need to shake things up to recognize other paths you can take. It's good to dream and visualize, but make sure your fantasies are not blocking you from development. A choice has to be made, and much care and consideration needs to be devoted to it. This is a time when your imagination may be working overtime, and choices seem too many, so choosing one direction seems almost impossible. But a choice must be made if anything is to be achieved. Along with the confusion over the decision is also abundance of creative and artistic talent and energy. Your second card. This is the energy that's crossing over your path. This is great, Virgo. Number 19 of the major arcana in the Rider-Waite deck, the Sun. This is major clarity. This is any confusion you had in the past with that Seven of Cups is going to be cleared up. This is attainment and liberation and marriage and fulfillment. The Sun card can also represent an Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising. There is a free birth chart calculator at the bottom of the description box. You can find out if Aries is in your chart, or then this is someone else, could be in their chart. This has to do with honor and success, material happiness, attainment. This can be a good marriage. Also happy reunions and pleasures in the simple life. This is letting your light shine with contentment and joy and freedom and a sense of rebirth and simplicity. Now the hard work is behind you. This is seeing the good in others, looking on the bright side, expressing your inner child, empowering others, and seeing things clearly, and achieving your goals. This is cheerfully defying obstacles, and doing what makes you feel excited and warm inside. Opposites are now in harmony. Your third card. And this is how it affects you. This can be your attitude. The Page of Wands, Virgo. This is fire energy, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. This is a card of someone making an announcement, a proclamation, a declaration. Could be an invitation, some kind of message coming in. Brings passion and excitement. This is someone that's standing on the threshold of a newly inspired direction, and we always feel the Page's influence when we're drawn to something that can accelerate our personal growth, and it helps us express more of who we are. This is the Fool's little brother, being intrigued and hopeful and inspired, trustworthy, a beginner, embarking on self-development, and sensing your potential for creative or spiritual expansion. And you may even be pursuing adventure. And now your fourth card. It's the position of the future. It's the outcome, the results, and the advice. Here you are, Virgo, number 9 of the major arcana in the Rider-Waite deck, the Hermit. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is wisdom, introspection, inner guidance, silent counsel. It's receiving wisdom from above. This is attainment of goals with seeking meaning, being up in your head and soul searching. The Hermit withdraws from the world in order to find wisdom. And isolation allows the mind to look inwards. This is a shift of attention away from people towards examination of yourself and of your life. This is seeking solutions on your own or someone who can give you guidance. It's a different direction than you may have originally thought. You may find out something substantial. This can be a spiritual mentor, and they can teach you to find answers within yourself. And the answers are deep in your soul. And you want to gain perspective on your life, and you are open to inner guidance that's available to you. This represents a time for soul searching and meditation, the need for patience. Anytime the Hermit shows up in a reading, it kind of slows things down a little. It's a time to work things out quietly, and a degree of solitude is often needed. So clear your mind of the external hurly-burly and allow time and space for our minds to empty and our thoughts to clear. The Sun card with a combination of the Hermit card, this is being reborn into a new phase. Your fifth card. It's the bottom of the deck card. The underlying issue. This is what's unseen. The Ace of Cups, Virgo, this is water energy. Represents the feelings and the emotions, our connection to the unconscious mind. Just a note, during the pre-shuffle, the Ace of Pentacles showed me twice, so I'm not surprised you have the Sun in here and an Ace. So that's good. This is the beginning. Great love and joy and contentment and productiveness. There's fertility here and beauty and pleasure and healing. This is great joy or a reward gained from a loving relationship, or something new could be developing in a relationship, or some form of good news coming. The cups are connected with water. It's the element governing the feelings and the oceans. So the Ace of Cups, emotions. And so the Ace of Cups means the purest aspect of emotional energy. Love and marriage and motherhood. A new beginning. A new love or a one-on-one relationship of any kind. The birth of a child or an idea. It's fertile times for creative growth and the consummation of something hoped for. This is the gift of life. So pay attention to those subtle signs of synchronicity. This is the highest potential and opportunities and gifts that are offered by the element of water. It's a blessing. Here's your advice from the Oracle deck. Trust Your Vibes by Sonia Choquette. Virgo, you've got Get Grounded, card number 2. Get grounded. And that's also what the Ace of Pentacles would have told us if that would have came out. It showed itself twice, so it does mean something. Like, it's good to get grounded. Because our bodies follow natural spiritual law, we require a solid connection with Mother Earth to function at our highest intuitive potential. This connection is called being grounded. It is accomplished by simply being aware of your body, of the present moment, of your breath, and being connected to the earth. Being grounded is basic to sixth sensory living and tuning into higher vibrations. If you draw this card, you're not fully grounded at this time, and your psychic awareness system isn't working properly. Stop whatever you're doing and do something physical, such as taking a few stretches and bends. Better yet, take it a step further and go outside for a few minutes. Feel the earth under your feet, and remember that as long as you are alive, you are supported by Divine Mother Earth at all times. Take a walk. Breathe in the air. It will ground you, calm you, and heal you, empower you, and reconnect you to your higher awareness, your vibes. Thanks, you guys, Virgo. I hope you stay tuned in and leave me a comment or a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Now remember, what goes around comes around, so I'm sending you out love and light and blessings. Thanks for watching.